Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Geany and Python 3 are installed, and that Python is accessible from the command line. Once done, create a new Py file in a project folder and save it immediately so auto-completion and build rules apply. Then open Edit Right Arrow Preferences, Right Arrow File Types, Right Arrow Python to check indentation and tab settings. Make sure tabs versus spaces match your team style. Finally, set build command so compile and execute call Python 3. This lets you run code from Geany without switching tools. You now focus on configuring execution and editing efficiency. First, add a custom run command like Python 3u%f to see live prints. This is helpful for tests. Next, enable auto-completion and call tips so Geany suggests functions and shows signatures as you type. This speeds development and reduces errors. Once that's done, set up the project's plugin, designate the main script, and confirm the working directory. Doing so ensures relative imports and file paths resolve when you run or debug. You finish by running and validating your script. Press F5 to execute and inspect the compiler and terminal tabs for output and tracebacks. Make it a habit to run Python mpy-compile or integrate PyDist into build commands to catch syntax and test failures early. If things go wrong, first verify the path, the Python interpreter version, and the project working directory. These are common culprits. If issues persist, restart Geany so environment changes reload, and then rerun to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.